Do you ever find yourself wondering why some people seem to experience one good thing after another, while others struggle to catch even a glimpse of fortune? Have you ever paused to consider how your thoughts and beliefs could be shaping the flow of your experiences? Let's explore this together. Life responds to the impressions you leave on your subconscious mind. It is not luck or coincidence but the power of your inner beliefs and assumptions at work. Every thought, every feeling, and every mental image you nurture is a seed planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious. These seeds grow and manifest as the experiences and events of your life. What you deeply believe about yourself and your world determines what unfolds around you. Take a moment to reflect. What are the dominant thoughts that occupy your mind throughout the day? Do they affirm positivity, abundance, and well-being, or are they rooted in doubt, fear, and limitation? This reflection is crucial because the mind is always at work, creating your reality from these impressions. To see good things continually happen, you must first believe they are possible for you. That belief becomes the blueprint from which your subconscious creates. To start aligning with the good, practice shifting your internal dialogue. When you catch yourself thinking negatively or doubting your potential, pause and replace those thoughts with empowering affirmations. For example, instead of saying, "Things never work out for me," declare, "Everything always works out in my favor." Repeat this until it feels natural, and watch as your external reality begins to mirror these affirmations. The beauty of the subconscious mind is that it does not question or analyze, it simply accepts what you feed it. This is why persistence is key. Day and night, consistently affirm the reality you wish to experience. When you wake up in the morning, affirm, "Today is filled with endless opportunities, and good things keep happening to me." Before you go to sleep, let your last thoughts be of gratitude and expectation for even more blessings. Visualization is another powerful tool. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already living the life you desire. See it vividly, feel it deeply, and believe it wholeheartedly. The more real you make this vision in your mind, the more quickly your subconscious will work to bring it into your reality. This practice is not about forcing or striving, it is about surrendering to the knowing that what you desire is already yours. You might wonder why repetition matters so much. It is because repetition impresses your desires deeply into your subconscious. Think of it as carving a path. The more you walk the same route, the clearer and more defined it becomes. Similarly, the more you affirm and visualize your desired reality, the stronger its impression becomes on your subconscious mind. Life is a mirror, reflecting back to you not only what you consciously think but also what resides deeply in your subconscious. To ensure that good things continually happen to you, it is crucial to cultivate a mindset of certainty. Certainty is not wishful thinking, it is a calm, unwavering confidence that life supports you in every way. When you carry this belief, opportunities seem to find you effortlessly, and challenges transform into stepping stones toward success. This certainty stems from an understanding of the power within you to shape your reality. One of the most effective ways to nurture this mindset is by paying attention to the words you speak. Words are not just sounds, they carry creative power. When you speak positively about your life, your subconscious accepts those words as truth and works to manifest them in your reality. Begin to speak as though your desires are already fulfilled. Say things like, "I always attract wonderful experiences," or "My life is filled with joy and abundance." These statements are not mere affirmations, they are commands to your subconscious mind to align with the good you seek. Let's consider how your daily habits impact this process. Habits are more than routines, they are the anchors of your subconscious conditioning. Examine your daily actions and ask yourself if they reflect the life you desire. If you want good things to flow to you, your habits must align with that intention. Start with small, intentional acts. Treat yourself with kindness, take time to nurture your well-being, and engage in activities that bring you joy. These actions reinforce the belief that you deserve good things, and this belief becomes a magnet for them. Another profound way to influence your subconscious is through the practice of letting go. Letting go doesn't mean giving up, it means releasing the mental grip you have on outcomes. Sometimes, the very act of obsessing over a desire creates resistance that blocks its manifestation. Instead of trying to control every detail, trust that your subconscious knows exactly how to bring your desires into reality. Relax and allow the process to unfold naturally. It's also worth exploring the role of imagination in this process. Imagination is not just a tool for children, it is the creative faculty through which you design your reality. When you use your imagination purposefully, you step into a realm where everything is possible. Picture yourself in situations where your desires are already realized. Feel the excitement, gratitude, and satisfaction as though it were happening now. This act of living in the assumption of your desires being fulfilled leaves a powerful impression on your subconscious. Sometimes, we get caught up in the idea of waiting for the perfect moment to start believing in good things. This mindset only delays the flow of blessings. The truth is, the perfect moment is now. Begin where you are, with what you have, and trust that each step you take creates a ripple effect. Life meets you at the level of your expectations. Expect good things now, and they will start to appear. Resilience is another quality that fosters a steady flow of positive experiences. Resilience is not about ignoring challenges, it is about viewing them as opportunities for growth. When difficulties arise, instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What can I learn from this?" This shift in perspective helps you maintain your alignment with positivity, ensuring that even setbacks lead to greater blessings. Your relationship with time also plays a role in shaping your reality. Many people think of time as linear and rigid, but in the realm of the subconscious, time is fluid. The moment you impress a desire upon your subconscious, it begins to work toward its manifestation, regardless of external timelines. This understanding allows you to relax and trust the process, knowing that good things are always on their way, even if they do not appear immediately. Now, let's address something important: your emotional state. Emotions are the fuel that powers your thoughts. When you feel joyful, grateful, and optimistic, your affirmations and visualizations carry more weight. Cultivate these emotions by focusing on the good already present in your life, no matter how small it may seem. Gratitude, in particular, is a magnet for more blessings. When you appreciate what you have, you open the door for even more to flow into your life. One simple yet transformative practice is to carry the feeling of fulfillment with you throughout the day. Act as if the good you desire has already come to pass. If you're seeking financial abundance, feel the security and freedom it brings. If you desire love, feel the warmth and joy of being cherished. By embodying these feelings now, you draw their physical equivalent into your experience. It's also vital to release any resistance or doubt. Trust the process. Understand that your job is not to figure out how everything will unfold, but to maintain the belief that it will. The how is not your responsibility, it is the domain of the subconscious and the infinite intelligence of the universe. All you need to do is remain steadfast in your belief and continue impressing your desires onto your subconscious. And be patient with yourself. Shifting your mental habits and beliefs takes time, but every small step forward is progress. Celebrate those steps and know that as you persist, the flow of good things will grow stronger and more consistent. The power to shape your reality is within you, waiting to be claimed. Align your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions with what you desire, and watch as life begins to mirror your inner transformation. Good things keep happening to you because you have decided they will. So, make that decision today and begin living the life you truly deserve.